Before your feet touch the floor in the morning, there is a small space between sleep and action. In that space, you have a choice. You can rise carrying yesterday's worries, yesterday's anger, and yesterday's unfinished thoughts, or you can begin again. Say this one sentence quietly to yourself. Today, I choose peace over worry, awareness over reaction, and gratitude over fear. Do not rush past these words. Let them settle into your mind. A new day does not ask you to solve your entire life. It simply asks you to meet this moment with a clear heart. Yesterday has already passed. Tomorrow has not yet arrived. The only place where your life is truly happening is here, in this breath, in this morning, in this moment. When you choose peace, you are not saying that everything will go according to your wishes. You are saying that you will not surrender your inner calm to every circumstance. When you choose awareness, you decide to pause before reacting. Someone may speak harshly to you today. Something may not go according to plan. You may receive disappointing news. But between what happens and how you respond, there is a quiet space. Protect that space. And when you choose gratitude, you train your mind to notice what is already present. Your breath, your body, another morning, another opportunity to learn, grow, forgive, and begin again. Place your feet gently on the floor. Feel its support beneath you. Take one slow breath. Do not demand that this day be perfect. Simply promise yourself that you will be present for it. Walk into the morning without carrying unnecessary burdens. You do not need to know everything that will happen. You only need to know how you wish to meet it. If anger appears, meet it with patience. If fear appears, meet it with understanding. If sadness appears, meet it with compassion. If success appears, meet it with humility. If difficulty appears, meet it with courage. The quality of your day is not determined only by what happens around you. It is deeply influenced by the condition of the mind you bring into each experience. So tomorrow morning, before your feet touch the floor, pause. Close your eyes. Take one breath. And repeat. Today, I choose peace over worry, awareness over reaction, and gratitude over fear. Then rise. Rise slowly. Rise consciously. Rise as though you have been given something precious. Not a perfect life, but another chance to live this one with greater wisdom. Let your first thought become peaceful. Let your first breath become mindful. Let your first step become intentional. And perhaps you will discover that beginning the day with peace can slowly teach you how to live the entire day with peace. Choose peace before the day begins. Start your morning by choosing peace instead of carrying yesterday's worries, anger, or stress into a new day. The way you begin your morning can quietly influence the way you experience the entire day. Before your feet touch the floor, before you reach for your phone, before you begin thinking about responsibilities, give yourself a moment of stillness. This small pause can become a powerful doorway into peace. Instead of allowing your mind to immediately return to yesterday's problems or tomorrow's worries, choose to begin with a clear and peaceful intention. Say to yourself, today, I choose peace over worry. These simple words remind you that peace is not something you must wait for until everything in life becomes perfect. Peace can begin in the middle of uncertainty. You may have responsibilities waiting for you, difficult conversations ahead, or problems that still need solutions. But you do not have to carry all of them into the first moments of your morning. Yesterday has already completed its journey. Whatever mistakes happened, whatever words were spoken, whatever disappointments you experienced, they do not have to control this new beginning. A new morning gives you permission to release what no longer needs to be carried. Take a slow breath and feel yourself becoming present. Notice the quietness around you. Notice the support beneath your body. Let your first thought be gentle rather than fearful. When you choose peace, you are not ignoring your problems. You are choosing to face them with a calmer mind. A peaceful mind sees more clearly, listens more carefully, and responds more wisely. So before you rise, remember that you have a choice. You can begin the day with tension, or you can begin with peace. Let peace be your first decision. Let it become the foundation upon which everything else in your day is built. Practice awareness before reaction. When difficult situations arise, pause before reacting. The space between what happens and how you respond gives you the power to choose wisely. Every day, life gives you moments that test your patience. Someone may speak to you in a way you do not appreciate. A plan may suddenly change. A message may upset you. or something unexpected may happen when you are already tired. In these moments, the first reaction of the mind is often immediate. Anger rises, fear appears, and words may come out before you have had time to think. But there is a small and powerful space between what happens and what you choose to do next. That space is awareness. When you begin your morning with the intention to choose awareness over reaction, you remind yourself that you do not have to obey every emotion that appears inside you. An emotion can arise without becoming your action. Anger can be present without becoming harsh words. Fear can be present without controlling your decisions. Disappointment can be felt without turning into hopelessness. Practice taking one slow breath before responding. Feel the breath entering and leaving your body. This simple pause can give the mind enough space to see clearly. Instead of asking, "How can I fight back?" ask, "What response will bring peace and wisdom to this moment?" Awareness does not mean becoming passive. It means becoming intentional. You can still speak firmly when necessary. You can still protect your boundaries. You can still walk away from harmful situations. But you do these things without allowing temporary emotions to control you. Throughout the day, remember your morning sentence. Today, I choose peace over worry, awareness over reaction, and gratitude over fear. Let these words become a quiet reminder whenever life challenges you. The more you practice pausing before reacting, the more naturally calmness begins to shape your thoughts, your words, and your actions. Begin with gratitude. Appreciate simple blessings such as your breath, your body, a new morning, and another opportunity to grow and begin again. Gratitude is one of the simplest ways to transform the way you see your life. It does not require wealth, perfect circumstances, or a day without problems. It begins with noticing what is already here. Before your feet touch the floor, take a quiet moment to remember that waking up is itself another opportunity. You have been given another morning to breathe, to learn, to make better choices, and to experience life again. The mind often moves quickly toward what is missing. It remembers unfinished tasks, financial concerns, difficult relationships, and things that did not happen according to your wishes. But when you deliberately choose gratitude, you gently redirect your attention toward what is present. Feel your breath. You do not have to control it. Simply notice it. Appreciate the quiet rhythm that continues without demanding anything from you. Notice your body and the support it receives. Notice the possibility contained within this new day. Gratitude does not mean pretending that difficulties do not exist. You can be grateful and still have problems. You can appreciate your life while working to improve it. Gratitude simply prevents your difficulties from becoming the only thing you can see. Try beginning the morning with 3 simple thoughts. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for another opportunity to grow. Let these thoughts settle into your mind rather than repeating them mechanically. Feel their meaning. When gratitude becomes a habit, ordinary moments begin to look different. A peaceful cup of tea, sunlight through a window, a kind word, or a quiet moment can become reminders that life contains blessings even during challenging seasons. Carry this awareness with you throughout the day. Whenever worry becomes loud, return to gratitude. Meet every emotion with wisdom. Face anger with patience, fear with understanding, sadness with compassion, success with humility, and difficulties with courage. Life will not always give you the experiences you want. Some mornings will feel peaceful, while others may begin with uncertainty, disappointment, or pressure. You may encounter people who challenge your patience, situations that awaken fear, or moments that make you question yourself. You cannot always control what enters your life, but you can learn to choose how you meet it. When anger appears, do not immediately become the anger. Pause and breathe. Give yourself permission to feel what is happening without allowing the emotion to decide your next words or actions. Patience does not mean weakness. It means you are strong enough to create space between the emotion and your response. When fear appears, meet it with understanding. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" gently ask, "What is this moment teaching me?" Fear often becomes larger when we resist it. When we observe it calmly, we may discover that beneath it is simply a desire to feel safe. When sadness arrives, do not treat it as an enemy. Allow yourself to acknowledge it. Some feelings need to be experienced before they can be released. You do not have to hide every difficult emotion behind a smile. Compassion begins when you stop judging yourself for being human. When success comes, remember humility. Do not allow achievement to convince you that you are better than others. Let success become an opportunity to appreciate your effort and remain grateful. And when difficulty appears, meet it with courage. You may not know how everything will unfold, but you can take one wise step at a time. Every emotion carries a message, but not every emotion deserves control over your behavior. Become the quiet observer of your inner world. Notice what arises, breathe through it, and choose your response carefully. Make your first thought intentional. Before your feet touch the floor, repeat. Today, I choose peace over worry, awareness over reaction, and gratitude over fear. Let this sentence guide your mindset throughout the day. The first thought you allow into your mind each morning can become the direction in which your attention begins to travel. Before your feet touch the floor, before you check your phone, before you listen to the demands of the outside world, give yourself a few quiet moments to choose your intention. You do not need a complicated ritual. You only need a sincere decision about how you want to meet the day. Say quietly, today, I choose peace over worry, awareness over reaction, and gratitude over fear. Let the words breathe for a moment. Do not simply repeat them mechanically. Consider what they mean. Choosing peace means you will not allow every unexpected event to disturb your inner balance. Choosing awareness means you will pause before speaking when emotions become strong. Choosing gratitude means you will remember what is present instead of allowing your attention to remain trapped in what is missing. Your first thought does not control everything that will happen. Life may still bring challenges. Someone may disappoint you. Plans may change. You may experience moments of stress or uncertainty, but your intention can become an anchor. Whenever the mind becomes restless, you can return to the promise you made to yourself in the morning. Place your feet gently on the floor and take one slow breath. Feel the ground supporting you. Recognize that this day is not asking you to be perfect. It is simply offering you another opportunity to live with greater awareness. Walk into your morning slowly, not because you have nowhere to go, but because you understand that rushing does not create peace. Let your first thought be kind. Let your first breath be conscious. Let your first step be intentional.